Thank you, sir. Painkillers!
Alright, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, painkillers.
Yeah, so who got number 2?
Number 2 will be our next performer. Okay, so blueprint in a count of 10. 9,
8,
7,
6,
5, 4, 3, 2,
1 to 10.
and
Para alamin ang pointing system.
1. Bomba!
Ayan, taray! I love it.
Bomba, blueprint.
Ito na ako sa gitna. Dito mo na
Hello. So, before we proceed to our next contestant for the competition, we would like to ask comment from our judges para sa pink team. Ma'am, so, ano po masasabi niyo? Gitaulo po.
Kaya masasabi ko, kulang sa performance ang pink team.
Ah!
Simon Cowell, is that you? Female version
What
of
about
Simon Cowell.
Ma'am Gladys? Ma'am, ano po masasabi niyo?
Mainit.
But init.
That Doc Hot, mainit raw.
Okay, so
Okay, so ano yung masasabi ng
judge number 1.
Okay, yung maganda sa ating performance, so umpisa ka, so eventually, ayun, hindi na sila nagkasabay-sabay.
And of course, we have 2 additional judges. Okay, so judge number 5 is from the College of International Hospitality Management, the advisor of CIHM Student Society, Ms. Gladys Talirin.
Big round of applause.
And of course, judge number 6 is the current Vice President for External Affairs of the Supreme Student Council.
From the College of Business and Accountancy, Ms. Maya Nieva Pimentel.
Also known as Doña Brunora. Okay, blueprint.
Hindi ko makita. Ang problema ko sa video.